Yes, good morning, students. As we are discussing about the human health and diseases, now we will see drugs and alcohol abuse. What is drugs? Drugs, that is a chemical substance which has biological effect on human and animals. Drugs commonly abused include opioids, cannabinoids, and cocaine. Proper education and guidance would enable youth to safeguard themselves against these dangerous behavior pattern and follow healthy lifestyles. Opioids drugs binds to opioid receptors in the central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. For example, morphine, smack and heroin. Morphine obtained from latex of poppy plant, that is a Papaver somniferum, that is sedative and painkiller and used to reduce pain after surgery. But people are using as a drug heroin, that is smack, chemically diacetyl morphine, that is bitter in taste, white, odorless crystalline compound obtained by acetylation of morphine taken by snorting and injection, act as depressant and slow down body function. Cannabinoids, chemicals which interact with the cannabinoids receptors present in brain. Natural cannabinoids obtained from inflorescence of cannabis sativa, marijuana, hashish, ganja and charas produced by various combination of flowers, stalks, leaves and resins of cannabis plants taken by inhalation and oral ingestion affects cardiovascular system of body. Coca alkaloids, cocaine. Cocaine, also called coke or crack, erythroxylone coca, interfered with the transport of neurotransmitter dopamine taken by smoking, stimulates central nervous system and induce euphoria and increased energy. Higher dose hallucination. Hallucin- Hallucinogens products from the plants like Atropa belladonna and Datura species are hallucinogenic. LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide, obtained from fungus, barbiturates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines that mental illness like depression and insomnia abused. Tobacco is usually chewed or smoked or used as snuff. It obtain it contains nicotine, which is a stimulant and toxin. Nicotine stimulates adrenal gland to release adrenaline and noradrenaline, which increases blood pressure and heart rate. Smoking of tobacco increases chances of lung cancer, bronchitis, emphysema, coronary heart diseases, cancer of throat, gastric ulcer, cancer of urinary bladder, etc. Smoking of tobacco also increases carbon monoxide content of blood and reduces concentration of heme-bound oxygen, which cause oxygen deficiency in the body. Chewing of tobacco causes oral cancer. Alcohol. Alcohol is a depressant, affects central nervous system. Adolescence. Adolescence describes the teenage years between 12 to 19 years and can be considered the transitional stage from childhood to adulthood. Adolescence is a time of both disorientation and discovery. The transitional period can bring up issues of independence and self identity. Many adolescents and their peers face tough choices regarding schoolwork, drug, alcohol, and their social life. Thus, it is a very vulnerable phase of mental and physiological, psychological development of an individual. Causes of drug abuse: curiosity, need for adventure and excitement, and experimentation motivates children to experiment. The first use of drug or alcohol may be out of curiosity and experimentation. Stress and pressure to excel and academics. Significant role in persuading the youngster to try alcohol and drugs to escape facing problem. The perception among the youth that is it is cool to smoke, use drugs or alcohol, it also in a way a major cause for youth to start these habits. TV, movies, newspapers, internet also help to promote this perception. Unstable or unsupportive family structures and peer pressure. Addiction and dependence. Following are the causes of drug and alcohol abuse. Curiosity, need of adventure, excitement, experimentation to escape from stress, unsupportive family structure. With repeated use of drug or alcohol, the tolerance level of receptors in our body increases and consequently they respond only to higher dose of drug or alcohol addiction. If the regular dose of drug and alcohol is abruptly discontinued, the body manifests characteristics and unpleasant withdrawal symptoms which can be anxiety, nausea, sweating, etc. That is dependence. Drug effects. The immediate effect of drugs or alcohol abuse are manifested as reckless behavior, vandalism, and violence. Excess dose can lead to coma and death due to cerebral hemorrhage, respiratory and heart failure. A combination of drug or their intake with alcohol leads to death. The most common warning signals of drug or alcohol abuse includes drop in academic performance, lack of interest in personal hygiene, withdrawal and isolation from family and friends, aggressive and rebellious behavior, lack of interest in hobbies, change in sleeping and eating habits, fluctuation in weight. When the drug is taken intravenously, it can lead to infectious disease like AIDS and hepatitis. Use of alcohol during adolescence can lead to a heavy drinking in adulthood. Chronic use of drugs and alcohol damage the central nervous system and liver. Misuse of anabolic steroids cause the following in females: masculinization, increased aggressiveness, mood swings, abnormal menstrual cycles, excess hair growth on the face and body, enlargement in clitoris, deepening of voice. Misuse of anabolic steroids cause the following in males: acne, increased aggressiveness, depression, reduction in size of testicles, decreased sperm production, potential for kidney and liver dysfunctions, premature baldness, enlargement of prostate glands, enlargement of chest. Prevention and control. Avoids undue peer pressure, educating and counseling to face problem, stress to accept failure, help from parents and peers, professional and medical help. Thank you.